Doon tayo sa may ito, kumakain ng kari.
Stellar! Wow! Wow! So nice, Stellar! Wow! It's a jellyfish, Stellar! Kaya tabi ka, Jay.
Parang TV lang.
Dito na tayo. Dito tayo na. Dito tayo dali. Tapos nakain na tayo. Diyan muna. Dito muna. Madalas na.
Exit naman na to. Wow! Papahol pa. Wow! So many jellyfish! Stellar! Oh, tingnan mo naman.
Up, up!
Ay, sorry.
Like that one? Like that na po.
Sabi, di ba? Hindi, hindi ko matuloy. Doon na nakasang tayo.
You've done so. You've done. Dami niyang... Yan ang dangerous. Ha?
Sit.
Sa ocean, ganun yun. Mamaya.
May
Sea Lion
scenario.
Show. Sea Lion Show.
12:30 yun.
Yung,
Sea Lion Show.
sabi?
Nandito sa...
Hindi mo bawal yung ano? Flash?
Anong tawag kung saan maraming tapos?
Oo, mas amoy ba Stellar niyo? Ay. You teach daddy na. You teach daddy. Daddy don't know what's the part of the jellyfish. Mamaya na nagkakanta pa siya. Aha. Aha, dangerous to open it. Don't touch it. Wow. Jay.
Luko.
It's messy. Yeah, it's dirty.
Meron pa ata doon, no? Doon tayo lumabas.
Quack, 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 quack. Stellar. Dance, dance. So lazy. Happy, Stellar?
Open it!
Mommy, I want Fuya.
Here, Rose Stellar, Rose Stellar. Come here, Rose. Stay here. Don't dance. Wow! Sige, dyan na siya.
Napasok lang.
Oh, sorry, love, sorry. Wow! Where are you, Stellar?
So baby,
You want to take a photo? Oh. Gusto niyo picture sa loob?
Let's go inside the penguin.
Stellar, look at there, oh! Chu. Samantila. Oh my God.
Hi, penguin. Oh, dive to.
Wag mo tayo mag-feeding, mag-manood na meron penguin.
He's so good. Yeah.
There's Stellar.
Yeah,
Chu.
Hi, penguin.
Chu.
Uy, sa photo!
Hey. Hey.
Pato daw. It's like pato. Pato. There on. Cheers, Stellar.
Hawa kami iba man. May nakapit yung face mo.
Jid, come here, love.
Hawa kami iba dun ah.
Akin na mag-awak. Doon ka na. Ano doon? Pasok mo na yun. Pasok mo yung ano yung red. Pasok mo yung red. Mawala yan. Pasok mo sa loob. Pasok mo sa loob.
It's standing. Standing.
Standing. Oh.
Come on. It's our turn now. Come on. Kal.
Siya, itabi mo po. Siya, itabi mo.
Ang pato lang.
Parang pato ha. Nagalagi.
Dali na.
Oh, look at her, Stella Rose. No, do not touch, do not touch. You know.
Ang liwanag mo ah.
Mommy, can I picture the friend with the dolphin?
Uh-huh. Oh, just watch this one. Oh. Look, Stella Rose.
Look how she walks so.
It's like Stella.
Like, look how.
Yeah. Then it will jump. Wait, it will jump into the water. Then it will swim.
Huh? What? Mommy, baby sheep, mommy. Baby sheep. Baby sheep.
Look the one. Look.
Baby sheep.
Feeding the penguin.
No, just look it now. Don't look in the cell phone now. Oh, look that one. Oh, look that one. Oh.
Mommy, calm down.
Where is it? I don't know.
Nan.
I see your friend.
Ang haba kasi
Oh,
ng,
look. It will swim. Oh.
haba kasi ng pila
That
eh.
one. Oh. It will swim.
Tayo na next na activity tayo.
What? Baby sheep. Mommy, run away.
Ayun na. Let's go.
Sibit ka muna.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Daddy, let's go.
Ay, bili tayo ng toys na penguin.
Why, it's itchy?
Mommy, go. Di mo nakita?
Kuya, dito ka, kuya. Kuya, dito tayo. Kuya, doon ka muna, ha?
Look there.
Kuya, dalawa kayo.
Oh, look there, Dia. Dia ini. Dia. Doon tayo. Meron pa.
Dito, oh. Pa, paupo kayo nila, Gia. Ay.
Picture mo sila. Because that one. Oh, Dia, look, mommy.
Okay.
Tignan mo na lang siya. Ano pa dito natapos?
Naloko na. Oh, let's go. Okay na. Wow, Stellar!
go na.
Okay daw.
Put my
Hayaan mo, nag-enjoy siya. Sige.
Gusto natin yung line. Mga alasing ko, alis na tayo.
Uy, uy. Come here, come here. I'll take a photo of you. Stand up here. Stand up here, stand up here. Beside that one. No, 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 just stand up here. Okay. Like that, though. Okay. Look at here, Stellar. Look at here. Look at here. Hi. Stand now. Pa, doon na kayo. Daddy. Doon na kayo, bilis. Okay. Galing ah. Galing ah. Okay, yeah, let's go there. There. Doon na, kuya. Tabi kayo doon. Oh, tabi kayo dyan. Oh, tingnan nyo yung baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Wow. Let's go.
Basta tayo. Doon tayo. Yung labasan natin. Doon pala.
Tosaw. Tosaw? My God. Hoy! It costs 400. Let's go to Daddy now. Next. Stellar, come here.
Balik mo na to.
A seahorse? Ay, let's see Tita Ella. Ay, this one, oh. Di ba may ganito si Ate Zyrene? Di ba may ganyan si Ate Zyrene?
Hindi yung magkalo. Yung presyo.
Oo, presyo. Very love po, that one, no?
Presyo siya.
Gusto ko nang maligo.
370, wow.
Oh. Sus. Let's go to Daddy now.
Anong tigbo kung magkano to?
275.
275?
Can you check?
420.
420. Oh. Hello, Penguin.
Put it back now. So expensive.
Where's Daddy? Ay, kuya, ito na lang siguro. Mermaid, no? Ano? Oh, you choose na.
160 na.
Hayaan mo na. Panglagyan niya ng ng pencil niya. O, di kuha ka ng sayo souvenir mo. Oh, you choose na, Stella. You choose.
It's for mommy. Mommy, it's for mommy. Mommy.
Which one you like? This one? Mermaid? Or this one? The purple? Or the one?
Oh, this one.
How about
Which one?
Sabi Sharky.
Which one you choose?
Mommy, I want this one.
Nick. So you don't like this one?
Yeah, I don't like it.
This one?
I want penguin.
Bili mo na sila.
Oo, ano mo? Mag-speed pa karela na nga. May matinag siya. Come mo. Which one you like? This one? The puppet? Hi, Stellar. How are you? How are you today? You don't like me? You don't like me? Huh? How about that one? You like that one? Stella? Where's Kuya?
What do you want? What do you want? That one?
Daddy will buy you penguin. Nemo.
Bili na.
Yan, Nemo na lang.
You want this one?
Or that one, that big one.
O, yung malaki na lang. Tingnan natin yung malaki. Ano to? May baby siya? Oy, may baby. Kita na ba? Ayaw niya.
Sige na, para bilis. Pero may reimburse lang. Lion show, lion show.
Nakabili na naman si Inday. Ikakalat niya na naman sa bahay. Inday. Ano gusto mo? Waka na.
Listen mo.
Waka na, bilis.
Ganyan lang, ganyan. Sumama siya doon, ma.
Ah. Oo, sige na.